municipality?
I don't think municipality needs to approve a landscape plan or like where you're putting your.
Because in HERA, you have to upload all the approved plan, I believe.
Landscape, I think you have to show a basic landscape layout, but like the final placement and the size of certain gazebos and all that don't have to be approved by the municipality.
Sir, but I would like to just answer in there that approvals are required for the total green percentage. So which is very well being covered here. The minimum percentage of requirement due to the pollution control board and number of trees that have to be planted here. So there is a specific number of trees, around 312 number.
Regarding specific landscape elements like sculptures, gazebos, plantations, hedges, these things don't have to be approved in the municipality or like have to be shown specifically. We can do it however we would like to for the betterment and growth of the project.
That means this plan is still subject to the approval of the front part, whatever is showing.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
And Doipan, Commission Planter, do you have any date against of this line element?
Did not get you, sir?
Dates.
Date.
Without date, nothing is executable, right?
Execution dates.
Yes.
Sir, I am a designer. We have already submitted all the drawings. So now I think the project construction head will be able to answer on that. That when do you exactly
Viper will be able to basically dig deeper on the design aspect and the design elements related to the plan.
So I am giving to my friend.
Hi, good afternoon. Vipan, what I feel from your proposal, firstly, you have shown the badminton court within the driveway, which is objectionable. And secondly, there is no other kids play element like seesaw, swings, nowhere in this one. So this is actually required. One pet park is required because the pets create a lot of nuisance within the complex. That is a small portion is required to be visited at pet park. And I feel that there is very less amount of trees has been shown here. You are saying that 300 trees is required as per MOEM, but I think more than 300 we have to show in the project and show the location accordingly.
Right. I think that is a good question on that. Now, first about the kids play areas. So I think what we try to do is keep these central lawns open to be for all flexible uses. So if needed, we can very well put a number of equipment in this lawn.
Yes, we need some equipment.
Yes, we have that space allocated here. So if you see this space, this is a very large open green lawn. That one is a very large open green lawn. So kids play equipment can be very well fitted into this area. So, but regarding the green, the base of the kids play area, it has to be green and natural soil because of the pollution control board requirements.
Yeah, we can use sand also.
Sand also.
Department can use sand. And the jogging track also, yeah, it is now revised. Earlier it was beside the river, but now we are showing beside the driveway. But this is not workable actually. Can you show it within along the green, within the central green or something?
So, Moyuka, to answer your query, because what you see here, this total length from the building edge to this is, though you see it in plans quite a distance, but if you are standing here, you are nearly close to the river.
No, that is actually going back, you don't know, but there is a subject to QOPD approval. That be there or may not be there.
Okay.
So, we are actually considering that will be gone. Even and parallel to the river line, if you put a parallel line from the river line, so you will see that 11-meter road also not possible near the phase 3. So that is a difficult question. So better you put all the common amenities within far from the river and bring it within the project. So it is better.
No, but I think as per this proposal, this 11-meter road will be anyway constructed. So the question about this green area,
in that area, left side is possible, but right side is not possible.
So the section has to differ. So maybe the section that is happening here cannot happen on that end. So that will be a tighter section on that end.
So we have to be ready with the plan B actually.
So in our plan B, I think we have worked out all these plans together, and this 11 meter road is something that we are keeping as constant in this line. And this front area, we have developed 2-3 options. One of them is a sheet pile, which is like this, and which is the best condition for the project, so that we get the maximum amount of green. If we are not able to do this, then there will be a second approach of a stone boulder pitching section. That section will be developed in such a manner that it will be wider on this part and narrower on this part. So we are quite confident on that we will be able to save this promenade 11 meter wide road for all the purposes of even the enjoying the river will be good from this 11 meter road.
So, Mr. Kipsi, my suggestion will be to ask him to prepare another plan where the earlier KOPT proposal where none of the amenities in the river side is possible, with considering the slope and all. So, considering that also, you have to be prepared with another plan. If you don't get a KOPT approval, then you have to go with that plan only.
If you don't get a COPT approval, like Gautam was saying, that front side part is going to be have to be changed. Everything else can stay as the way it is. That's the approach that we have taken.
And I just if you notice that we have not put in any of the major amenities in that area, which we are not sure if this area will stay with us or not. The only thing that we might have to sacrifice is this amphitheater, and then we can bring it either this corner or this corner. So we have left that corner also free for the amphitheater.
Actually, there is it will not work. Amphitheater in that inside space doesn't work. Amphitheater best place was amphitheater.
So here it was the best place for the amphitheater, but now if we do not get this area, it will be a slightly smaller in size amphitheater, but we will definitely get one in this corner.
Propose that to shift to Appinia place.
Yes, sir?
Yeah.
So,
Mr. Moitro, if KOPT approval for seat planning is not approved, is this 11 meter road possible with the previous technology?
As I told you that this approval is already with us. It's only a ratification, it's a matter of time. So let us be positive. Let's wait for hardly a couple of weeks maximum. And if it is, as you say, if it is not there, then it will be a different set of landscape plans which we have to work on it. And because the spaces will be less on all the sections. You are right. There is no alternate to that hypothesis. So as far my knowledge goes, we are on a good wicket now, and maybe it's a matter of time we get the clearance on the shipment. I have explained you the
I visited
things in
KOPT
detail.
last week.
Because I'll tell you one thing that to make you all on the same platform. So what is my understanding of the issue is that our boundary line has been accepted. They have accepted the timber piles to be a part of the premises. So timber piles are also piles. So technically speaking, if I put up a steel version of that piling system, there should not be any hankering on that. But anyhow, there are certain levels of the KOPT management, and there may be some last stage of hurdles. So that is the best scheme, and that is the most workable scheme, and that is the most costly scheme also. And so far as the longevity of the system is there, no doubt everybody here can understand that that is the only solution. So let's hope so, and there is no negation of the scheme, because we have got the approval, we have paid for our own money, for our own land. It's our land which has been accepted to be part of the project, and that's it. So we have feelers that the approval will be finally accorded in a very short span of time. And if not, then we'll go back to the whatever is there, and then the landscape plan will be a bit different.
Yeah, that's right, because if you go by the option,
Yeah, that is the fact.
this 11 meter road would be difficult to go.
Nah, we'll get to road पे नहीं पड़ेगा.
I visited KOPT last week. I met very senior officials there.
Yeah.
They didn't give me any hope. So,
That is, they are basically, well, some words cannot be shared on this from his eyes, and you also know.
We are also,
You know,
in
and
discussions
there is no legal, there is no legal issue on that. We have not gone against any of the.
no, Mr. Mehta, what I'm trying to say,
Hmm.
he should be synced with the approach plan. If
Obviously, see.
one is not happening, this road and all will not stand. So let's respect.
Sir, I think we are already ready with.
we are also in touch with QPT, Jodha.
Yeah.
And we are trying our best to get the ratification for the new plan, and this is in sync with that ratification only. If that does not happen, we will also go with the revised landscaping plan that will be in sync with the previous plan also. There's not going to be any case in which we'll be showing something that is going to be not possible to
Any
do.
date you can give?
We are trying our best to get it done as quickly as possible. As quickly as possible.
We need date against all of this. If you target March 21st, we of this, then we need date. We are not able to measure the progress of this block 3 and 4.
Date against landscape completion.
Progress, whatever plan we have shown. If you have to deliver by 31st March, to
The,
measure the
lands-
progress,
the landscaping also will be done at time of delivery.
not
We
work,
hope
that
to
will
get
not
the
work
landscaping
anymore.
done.
We have only 4 months left. With that, this kind of work will not work anymore. We have to give date so that both of us can target and monitor the same progress. Sorry, ma'am, I cannot hear you.
We had
We
agreed.
are agreeing for 6 months, so we have trust.
So, ma'am, be transparent with us. We are with you. We will full support. Give us the measurable progress in terms of date. Blindly, it will not work. Like you have given all this date for block 3 and 4, there is no date.
We will give this because we are more concentrated on 1 and 2, 3 and 4 also
Block
simultaneously.
3 and 4, I think we shared in the email also that the focus on block 3 and 4 is going to be on brickwork, on MEP, internal MEP, on plastering. These are the base areas which have to be completed before finishing work and before internal works can start. So for the next 2 months, the whole focus on block 3 and 4 is going to be on that.
There is no way you can complete 3 and 4 by March. I can bet my career.
We had anyways discussed six months. Last month we had discussed 6
We have
months.
time
So we
to
are
make-
keeping that target alive, and we are going to be sticking by that
With
target.
that,
It will the
that 6 months, the previous date, give us date. We are not expecting
Okay, we
something
will try to
anymore.
give, but we have kept it till May. Six
Give us date. This is what I am expecting, so that both can monitor the progress.
But
Okay?
we are doing simultaneously 3 and 4 also together. So we also want to do as nicely and
Yes.
quickly.
And before we move on to other topics, anything more about the landscape plan?
Will be requiring a soft copy of it.
Sure, sir. I think
We'll
sir, if you have a pen drive, I can hand it over now.
no, it's okay. We will.
Okay.
Okay, you can put it in a cloud folder, size big, and give us the link.
So I think we will hand it over to you. So it's all with Kirti.
And in the plan you have mentioned phase 3, probably you are not aware of the picture, there is no phase manner in the project. Okay, it is one phase project. Even in Hira also it is one phase project. So don't mention phase 3.
Right.
Okay?
No, that is not correct, Vijayalda. It is not a one-phase project. That third phase is going to be a separate phase.
But in our contract law, sales agreement, there is no mention of phase. For your execution purpose, you may have put phase for internal monitoring, but there is no phase mentioned in the project, in the Hira, in the contract, nowhere. You can check internally.
That will have to again check internally and see in the technicality of it.
Yes, it doesn't.
Vijayalda, the agreements, most of the agreements were made pre-Gira. At that time, there was no definition of one project. It was one project. But when Gira came in, Gira made us divide the projects in different phases. And since we have not launched block 5 or phase 2,
We can say block 6,
sorry?
block 6, or block 5.
Block 6 or block 5, whatever it is.
Yeah.
That can be a new phase, and if we have to alter the design, we might alter the design.
What is our intention, actually for this project? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, sir.
Because we have to segregate the, unplanned, undelivered project. But what is your entry and exit for the project?
Sir, this is your entry, and if you see here, we are keeping this road vacant.
And what will be the entry for the project related activity for the undeveloped area? What is the entry for that part?
That also, I think, will be planned during the handover time of, all
Because
the
we
phases.
will not allow, development of concrete cars and vehicles to pass through our, this area. We have to make a separate entry for that. Because our maintenance and all these things will be difficult there.
We'll have to plan that at the
Yeah,
time
we
of
have
the
to keep
handover.
that in plan.
We
Because
do.
construction part, we have to totally, cut it out from the main developed part. Okay?
We'll definitely give it to you.
Okay. Anybody has any point?
না, আপনি যেটা বললেন যে ফায়ার টেন্ডার এখান থেকে যাবে এটাও তো ওই 11 মিটার 11 পর্যন্তই বললেন
স্যার আরেকবার বলুন, প্রথম থেকে শুনতে পাই।
আপনার ফায়ার টেন্ডার যেখান থেকে যাবে রিভার সাইডে
হ্যাঁ।
সেটাও তো ওই 11 মিটার পাথের উপর থেকেই যাবে
একদম।
তাহলে উজ্জ্বলদা যে প্রশ্নটা করেছিল ওটার হাইট বলছেন আপনি 2.4
এইটা।
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ।
তাহলে ফায়ার টেন্ডারের পক্ষে কি হাইটটা এনাফ?
না, না, স্যার এটা প্ল্যানে দেখছি তো, এই জায়গাটা যেটা পুরো 11 মিটার, এটার মাথাটা কিন্তু পুরোটা খোলা আছে। অল ওপেন টু সাইড। এন্ড হোয়াট ইউ সি হিয়ার ইজ আ
না 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 মাথাটা খোলা নেই, আপনি ছবিটা ক্লিক করুন যেখানে আপনি দেখিয়েছেন ওটা ডিটেলসটা। হ্যাঁ
এইটা, এই যে স্ট্রাকচারটা দেখছেন, এটা একটা ছোট্ট গার্ডেন গ্যাজেবো। এটার সাইজ হবে ধরুন 3 মিটার বাই 3.5 মিটার। It's not on the road at all. If you can go back to the plan.
আপনি কিন্তু প্ল্যানে পুরো 11 মিটারকে কভার করেন।
না, আমি বলছি আপনাকে, এটা কি হচ্ছে যে এই যে একটা ছোট সাদা বাক্স দেখতে পাচ্ছেন, ওইটুকুনি হচ্ছে একটা গার্ডেন স্ট্রাকচার। আর এই যে ব্রাউন কালারটা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন, ওটা রোডের উপরেই একটা ডিফারেন্ট কাইন্ড অফ পেভিং, সো দ্যাট মানে দ্য হোল ইন্টেনশন ইজ এই 11 মিটার রাস্তাটা যেন খুব মনোটোনাস আর খারাপ একটা দেখতে রাস্তা না হয়ে যায়, একটা হার্ড জিনিস না হয়ে যায়। ইট শুড লুক মোর লাইক আ রিভার ফ্রন্ট প্রমিনার। হ্যাঁ, তো সেই জন্যই করা। এটাতে কোনো ফায়ার এন্ড অবস্ট্রাকশন এখানে কিছু
মানে তার মানে যে জায়গাটা আপনি এই স্টেপ দিয়ে দেখিয়েছেন ওই জায়গাটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি জাস্ট পেভমেন্টই থাকবে আর কিছু নেই।
স্যার একদম এই আপনার সামনে যেরকম ওপাশে কংক্রিট রোডের মাঝখানে গ্রিন কার্পেট পাতা আছে, ঠিক সেই রকম একটা বাকি কংক্রিট রোড মাঝখানের একটা জায়গায় স্পেশালি পেভ করা আছে। হ্যাঁ, তো এইরকম।
ঠিক।
In the earlier plan, there are small water bodies in the front side. ওগুলো কোথায় মুভ করতো?
স্যার এখন এটা আমরা এইখানটায় মুভ করছি, একটা সেন্ট্রাল পয়েন্ট
বিল্ডিং এর সামনে।
বিল্ডিং এর সামনে। সো এইখানে আমরা উই আর গিভিং 2 or 3 লেয়ার্স অফ shrubs আর তারপরে ওয়াটার বডি।
মানে ওগুলো অ্যাক্সেসিবল থাকবে।
স্যার অ্যাক্সেসিবল ফ্রম দিস সাইড এখানটায় একটা ছোট্ট নিশ মতো বেরিয়ে এসেছে, সেখানটা এসে করতে পারবেন। তার পাশে এটা ফাউন্টেন হবে,
গ্রাউন্ড ফ্লোরের প্রাইভেসি রক্ষা করবেন।
তো সেইটার জন্য আমরা, if you see here, this is adequate enough space of around 3.5 meter space for plantation, buffer plantation. So এরপর একটা দুটো ছবি আছে ধরুন। Next. So first is যেখানে গ্রাউন্ড ফ্লোরে ফ্ল্যাট আছে, অ্যাপার্টমেন্ট আছে, তার সামনে এরকম একটা 30 মিটার জায়গা ম্যান্ডেটরি সব জায়গায় একটা প্লান্টেশন, আইদার ফ্লাওয়ার প্লান্টেশন হোক বা শ্রাব প্লান্টেশন হোক। আরেকটা বড় ছবি আছে। Next. So what you see in that photograph, এইরকম জাতীয় প্লান্টেশন, বাফার প্লান্টেশন will be always there adjacent to a ground floor apartment, যাতে কোনো প্রাইভেসি নষ্ট না হয়।
এবার এই যে ওয়াটার বডিটা তুমি দেখিয়েছো,
হ্যাঁ,
এগুলো অনেক অ্যাপার্টমেন্টে দেখা যায় যে এগুলো মানে অটোমেটিক মেইনটেনেন্স হয় না, ম্যানুয়াল মেইনটেনেন্সে মশা টশা জমে একটা কারণ হয়। ওটা কি কোনো অটো মেইনটেনেন্স কিছু থাকবে না, কিভাবে করতে হবে? সুইমিং পুলে হয়
হ্যাঁ।
এগুলো ট্রিটমেন্ট ম্যানুয়াল।
স্যার এটার মধ্যে তো সেলফ সার্কুলেটিং পাম্প থাকবে। সো So it's a daily একবার আপনার যে মেইনটেনেন্সের লোক আছে সে একবার সুইচ অন করলেই ওটা সার্কুলেট হতে থাকবে, সে যদি অফ করে দেয় তখন ওই সার্কুলেশনটা হবে পাম্পে থাকবে। তো ওটার ভিতরে সাবমার্সিবল পাম্প থাকবে, ওর মধ্যে এয়ার বাবলার্স থাকবে, যাতে ওটা জলের মধ্যে কোনো মশা টশা না হয়, যাতে জলটা কন্টামিনেট না হয়। But it definitely depends on your service manager also that it has to be cleaned in once in 3 months. আর প্রত্যেকদিন জলটা সাবমার্সিবল পাম্পটা চালাতে হবে, সেটা ইজ আ পার্ট অফ মেইনটেনেন্স।
ময়ূর যেগুলো সাজেস্ট করলো বাচ্চাদের প্লে এরিয়া আর বেড এরিয়া, ওগুলো বেড করে ইনকর্পোরেট করলে
Pets area, kids play area, we will incorporate. And third point that
400 যদি flat থাকে, you should take 50% of the apartment having a kid, at least 200 kids will come down.
We have a separate kids play area in the club also, which we have planned indoor kids play area, and whatever suggestions we are saying, we will
just incorporate some
we'll
part.
keep in mind and we'll see.
Okay, thank you. We need dates agency to internally discuss with Mr. Maestro and give us dates, because 3 and 4 target in next 4-5 months to complete. Okay, keep that date in line with that. Okay.
But to be honest, we have already started giving all the good for construction drawings to the construction team. So I think it's already on process and the work is moving. At least the landscape part.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you, Gagan.